Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save your game progress in Raid Shadow Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on your profile in the top left corner. Here in the right hand side of your screen, you can see the Save Your Progress option. You can choose any of your account in order to save your progress. In this video, I'm gonna choose my Facebook account, so tap on Facebook option. Click on the continue button. And that is how you can save your game progress in Raid Shadow Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.